Hi, I'm Jimmy, and I'm the current president of Enable Lowell. I joined the club during my freshman year after going to the engagement fair, and I got started with the project pretty much right away, even though I had no knowledge in 3D printing or CAD. And what's been really fundamental to my progress in the club has been all of the help I received from the older members along the way, so I'd like to promote that going forward. Right now, I just sent out a volleyball device to a recipient for testing, and I'm also working on a universal bike device that is easily rescalable.
Hi there, my name is Vanessa Thomas and I am the Vice President of Enable Lowell. I am a junior majoring in biomedical engineering and pursuing the medical device track along with a minor in math. I have been a member of Enable since fall 2019 and have been honored to serve as the Vice President and as the recipient team captain during that time. I chose to join Enable Lowell because I've always wanted to help children in need, and Enable was a great way to be involved early on. I am working with the team to design a violin bow device for our recipient Savannah, and I'm excited to say that we're almost done with our first prototype and cannot wait to see what she thinks.
Hi, I'm Eric Biscioni. I am the print captain and treasurer for Enable. I am a junior mechanical engineering student at UML. My job in the club is to take care of the printers, to print everyone's parts, and to help everyone get their designs ready to be printed and ready to put together, and just give my input on how to make everything.
Hi everybody, my name is Ryan Long. I'm the 3D design captain of Enable Lowell. And one of the main reasons why I decided to join Enable was because of my passion and interest in prosthetics as well as medical devices. Over this past year, I've been working on a SwimFin device for one of our recipients, and along with that, beginning this semester, I've also started a project with the overall goal of creating a method that would allow Enable members to easily implement myoelectrics into their devices and design.
Hi, my name is Laura Noon and I'm a freshman mechanical engineering student here at UMass Lowell. I'm also the current secretary for Enable. I joined Enable because it is my dream career to develop affordable and sustainable prosthetics for those in developing countries, and I knew Enable would be a great place to start learning. Over the course of this past year, I've worked alongside Randy Long on the SwimFin device. We each developed our own design and are hoping to send both of our devices to our recipient this summer.
Hi, my name is Catherine. It's my first year here at UML. I'm the current recipient team captain on the Enable Lowell team. I work one-on-one with the kids that we help and also their families with emails and also talking to them about sending out the devices that we're working on. I'm currently working on a project with my partner Paige to build this boy Jack an assistive device to help him to catch baseballs while he's playing, as he doesn't have full function. We're working with different types of material, including 3D printed materials, and hoping to send out that project soon. Thank you for joining us for the open house.